Begin this meditation by finding a comfortable seated position. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow your eyes to softly gaze into the center of the moving kaleidoscope. Let the colors and patterns draw your attention inward. As the shapes shift and swirl, bring your focus to your breath. Inhale gently. Exhale fully. Let each breath ground you in this moment. Now, in your mind, or out loud, begin to repeat a personal mantra or affirmation. This can be any phrase that resonates with you. It might be for healing, for self-worth, or for achieving success. If you don't have one, choose from any of the following mantras or affirmations. I am enough. I trust in my journey. I am healing more each day. Success flows to me naturally. I am worthy of love and abundance. My mind is calm and focused. I deserve to feel confident and strong. I let go of fear and welcome growth. My energy attracts positivity and peace. I am becoming the best version of myself. Now, choose one mantra or affirmation that speaks to you the most right now. As you continue to watch the kaleidoscope, repeat this mantra with your breath. Inhale, and repeat your mantra or affirmation. Exhale, and repeat your mantra or affirmation. Let the moving pattern in front of you become a visual anchor. Let your mantra or affirmation and the movement merge, repeating together like waves. If your mind wanders, gently return to the center of the kaleidoscope and to your chosen mantra or affirmation. You are training your mind to focus. You are nurturing your nervous system. You are affirming your worth. Take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your mantra or affirmation echo silently for as long as this video lasts. Repeat this meditation once a day for at least 7 days. Consistency allows the mantra to take root in your mind and energy. Continue quietly with your mantras and affirmations until the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.